topic. My topic is Human Rights Day. Human Rights Day is observed in every year on 10 December, the day the United Nations General Assembly adopted in 1948 the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Sankalp Shrivastava. I am studying in class 6C from Awadh College, Daroga Kheda branch. And today I am going to present a video on Human Rights Day. So anyone here who can tell me that Human Rights Day is celebrated on which day? Okay. I will tell you that Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10th December. And anyone here who can tell me that Human Rights Day is celebrated by, may I tell you? Okay, I will tell you that Human Rights Day is celebrated because on 10th December 1948 in the US there was a assembly held in which the US government has decided to give this day 10th December to the human, because as we all know that in our country or in other country the discrimination is very performed to the upper class of society to the lower class of society. So, for example, that in India there are Brahmins and SC/ST. So, the Brahmins is doing very discrimination to the SC/ST. So, this is an example of discrimination. So, on 10th December 1948, the US government has decided to give this day to human right. So, as I have given the much information on human rights, so I am ending this video. But before that, I want to tell you that there are 30 human rights promoted by the US Assembly or by the US government on 1948 10 December. So, thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone, today I, Janvi Shrivastava of Awadh College, Daroga Kheda branch of Standard 8C, here going to give you all some information about the human right. The rights which is allotted to the different citizens of India to tell them how to behave in a society so that they don't become a part of the discrimination held in the society due to the caste, creed, gender or sex in this society. That is why these rights which is allotted to the different citizens of India is called as human rights. A fact is this, that this human right was first given by US General Assembly on the date of 10th December 1948. Means these human rights are issued by United States General Assembly on 10th December 1948. Hence the date of 10th December or the day of 10th December is known as the Human Rights Day from 1948 year. So now moving on forward, some human rights are the right to equality, right to vote, right to life. These are having some of these specific meaning. For example, right to equality means all the citizens which are living in a particular country are having the equal right to survive and live in the country, in the state or the society. Next is right to education, means every children of a country is having this right to be an educated person of that country. None other than their discrimination. By not seeing their discrimination, they are being educated. Next is right to life, means all the citizens considering in a country are having this right to life in a society. They are not considered as a part of discrimination in our country. So these are some of the particular rights that are given by the US General Assembly. But the total human rights which are allotted by the US General Assembly are 30 human rights. Means on 10th December, US General Assembly has been declared 30 human rights for the welfare of the citizens of a country. So now with this, I want to end this video and I want to give you one message that only having rights is not a responsibility, but fulfilling our responsibility first and then taking our rights is our responsibility. With this, thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Sanchika Pathak. I study in class 5th. Today's my topic is Human Rights Day. Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10 December every year. It is organized by United Nations member. Human Rights Day is the day in 1948 United Nations General Assembly members adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The UDHR is popular in all over the world, available in 500 languages. We should stand for our rights and those for us. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Virali Gadhira. I am from class 8. Today is the Human Rights Day. So today I will tell you about Human Rights Day. Human Rights Day is observed by the international community every year on 10th December. It commemorates the day in 1948 the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This year, the theme of the Human Rights Day is related to the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you and have a nice day.
I, Kirti Shukla of 7A Awadh College is very pleased to be with you today to begin a year-long celebration of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It establishes the equality and dignity of every human being. It states that every government has a duty to enable all people to enjoy their inalienable rights and freedoms. Whenever we live, whatever our circumstances or our place in society, our gender, our race or religion or belief, we are all equal in human rights and in dignity. We are here to reflect on the core and enduring importance of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and to put its powerful words into practice. This is the path to a world of peace, dignity, and opportunity for all. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Anjali Gautam of Standard 7C. I am here to represent my topic, and my topic is Human Rights Day. 10th of December is observed as Human Rights Day every year to commemorate the day the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. Formally, Human Rights Day is celebrated by on this day, United Nations award the National Prize in the field of human rights and Nobel Peace Prize. South Africa celebrates Human Rights Day on 21st March to remember the Sharpeville massacre.
A very warm good morning to all of you. My name is Anshika Singh of a class 8 and I want to deliver a speech on a topic Human Rights Day. Human Rights Day must work for upliftment of human dignity. Human Rights Day is observed every year on 10 December, the day on which the United Nations generally adopted, in 1948, the Declaration of Human Rights. The Declaration of Human Rights empowers us all. the principles inscribed in the Declaration as relevant as they were in 1948. We need to stand up for our own rights and those of others. We have to take more and more action to protect our human rights. At the last but not least, to deny the people human rights is very